Causes of diethylene glycol contamination. 1. Fraudulent substitution for profit using cheaper. 2. Complex global supply chains hinder purity verification. 3. Weak regulation and enforcement led to contamination. Notable incidents. 1937 United States, more than 100 deaths from elixir of sulfanilamide. 1998 India, 33 child deaths. The 2025 cold rift tragedy is the latest in a long history of dead contamination incidents in India. 2022 multiple countries, 300 child deaths linked to Indian syrups. Prevention strategies. 1. Centralized regulation for consistent oversight. 2. Supply chain controls with verified suppliers and testing. 3. Mandatory dead testing using gas chromatography. 4. Increased accountability and awareness among providers and public.